Okay, thank you all for taking part with this online webinar of the Israeli Endo Association. There are several guests from different countries, and I welcome you for coming here. I would like to thank the Forum Tech for the sponsorship and the collaboration with the Israeli Endo Association. We have two parts. In the first part, the Forum Tech company will present the new products and items by Ms. Stephanie. And afterward, we'll have Dr. Paula Bija from Colombia to have her amazing presentation about microsurgery. So Stephanie, please.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Tal Koren, for organizing this webinar. Good evening, good afternoon to all the participants of this webinar. My name is Stephanie Garb. I am the Marketing and Sales Director at Forum Tech. We are happy to sponsor this online seminar, which brings together the community of endodontists in Israel and in other parts of the world. As you may know, our company, Forum Tech, it's a leader in the development of manufacturing of electronic devices for the dental industry. And our mission is to bring innovative and reliable technologies, allowing dentists to offer a faster and accurate treatment experience to their patients. So today, we would like to introduce to you a unique technology, a Wirele-x Apex locator. So in the last decade, wireless equipment has become a very critical part of our everyday life. It started with consumer electronics, with, for example, the headphones with long cables always tied to each other, and it moved to the AirPods. And the housekeeping cordless equipment came on board. Today, we see the Dyson and other products without cords being used at home. And over the years, there has been a radical shift to wireless medical and dental devices. The wireless technologies are bringing dramatic improvements in the quality of healthcare and allowing professionals to work smartly and efficiently, giving the patients their best treatments. So it's time to switch to wireless. Forum Tech is proud to introduce its new technology, the Wirele-x. It's an innovative and unique wireless Apex locator with Bluetooth technology. It's the first and only Apex locator available in the market today. So to some of these unique features, the Wirele-x has a unique design. It's composed of a small measuring unit and a large touch screen, which both connect via Bluetooth. The measuring unit is very small and very light. It may be attached to a rubber dam and even hang near the patient's mouth. Usually the Apex locator device is placed on the unit tray, as you might know already. I mean, you use it on a daily basis. It requires long cables to connect between the Apex locator and the patients. And occasionally patients or dentists' sudden movement may bump into the cable and drop the Apex locator to the floor and causing the Apex locator to break. So Wirele-x eliminates the need to manage long cables between the Apex locator and the patient. The advanced user interface that the Wirele-x offers, it's really innovative. The settings menu enables each user to choose his preferred way of work by selecting different graphic interfaces, presenting the progress of the file inside the canal, or activating the virtual Apex feature and setting preferred working length determination. It has a built-in user manual. The battery has, the Wirele-x has a long-lasting battery. It operates with a rechargeable lithium battery. A fully charged battery will be sufficient for several hundreds of treatments. So the Wirele-x technology is based on ForumTech's patented measuring algorithm. Our technology is embedded in 35% of the Apex locators available on the market today. The measurements accuracy has been proven itself among 20 years of experience. I'm sure you're familiar with all the wide range of Apex locators that are sold all over the world under ForumTech's brand name, and by leading companies such as Dentsply, Sirona, Colten, BDW, and others. So the accuracy of the Wirele-x was tested in 3 different sites. In Italy by Dr. Gianluca Plotino and his group. In Brazil by Dr. Gustavo de Dios from University of Medicine Fluminense in Rio de Janeiro. And in the US by Dr. Craig Dunlap from the University of Pacific, California. So in Italy, the study was conducted by Dr. Gianluca Plotino, a comparative study between the Wirele-x and the Root ZX. The results showed very high accuracy in detecting the working length and were accurate within plus minus 0.5 millimeters without any statistical differences among them. The study was recently published in the June edition of the Italian Endodontic Journal, and it can be found online. The Brazilian study conducted by Dr. Gustavo de Dios from the University of Medicine Fluminense in Rio de Janeiro showed that all clinical measurements were ranked as precise, which means less than 0.5 millimeters of error. The results show the performance of the Wirele-x devices at a high level, similar to the gold standard, the Root ZX device. The study will be published in the International Endodontic Journal in the next few months. So the Wirele-x complies with safety and electromagnetic standards, including radiated immunity tests. It has the CE marking of conformity from the European Union, and it has been approved by the FDA. We conducted a pilot study with 9 endospecialists from Israel, Europe, and US who tested the Wirele-x for a period of 6 months. I would like to present to you Dr. Claudio Farnanaro's experience from Italy.
One of the most important things in endodontics is the determination of the working length. In the recent years, we had a lot of advancement in technology in endodontics, the dental microscope, ultrasonic, but the working length, it has always been very important and can make the difference between a success and not success in an endodontic therapy. That is why you need an Apex locator that you can trust and that is very precise. Wirele-x is very precise in the determination of the working length, and I really like it because, being Bluetooth, it eliminates the need of wire, and this is very important in a modern endodontic office in which ergonomy it is really important.
The high-resolution tablet, it offers you a perfect visibility while you are working. And it's very readable, and when you reach the apex, the sound, it's very, very clear.
So what benefits can the Wirele-x Apex locator offer you? It will allow you to maximum efficiency and comfort in your working environment, accuracy in your measurements, no more long cables between patients and the device, freeing your working space and movements. Using the Wirele-x changes your experience with the comfort and technological advancements, and it contributes you to your position as a high-tech doctor. So we invite you to be among the first ones to experience the Wirele-x. If you have any questions, you can send them through the chats on the webinar or contact us to get a special promotion deal. Thank you. I pass it along to Dr. Tal Koren. Thank you.